So you've created this spanking brand new Ontraport page created in version 3 that now looks a whole lot better than what you had created with version 2. And it's time to update. So how do you do that? Stay tuned and we'll go over that. Let's go. Hey, peeps. This is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at akilapitts.com, helping visionary entrepreneurs just like you be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that is you, be sure to click that subscribe button, okay? All right, so here we are. You have created, designed, and published your brand new Ontraport page created in version 3. And now you are ready to share it with the world simply by sharing your link, right? Not exactly. Especially if this page is being recreated in any type of way, whether you created it in Ontraport, lead pages, ClickFunnels, wherever the case may be. If this page is something that is like an updated version, you got some things that you need to update, okay? To make sure that people are accessing the new page versus the old page, all right? So let's talk about those 3 things that you need to update. Update number 1, emails. Usually when we send out emails, we have offers, whether it's an opt-in offer, sales offer, any of that nature. We may have an offer of some sort where they click on the link and then they go to a specific page to find out more. If the link that they're clicking on is supposed to take them to your new Ontraport page, guess what? You're going to have to do a little inventory. Go back into those emails and update all those links so that people are not accessing the old content, but in fact, the new content. I mean, after all, you have taken the time to design this brand new Ontraport page. Make sure that you covering all your bases with regards to every way in which people can see it, okay? So emails is a great place to start, especially when it comes to going through your content and finding out exactly what you linked to in the past and then updating it so that it links to the new Ontraport page both now and in the future. Update number 2, thank you pages and or tripwires. Again, if you have created this page as an update to another page that you've already created, then you need to go through the necessary steps to make sure that this is the page people land on when they submit that form and not the old one. So whether they are opting in through an Ontraform or some other Ontraport page or through a lead page or whatever else, when we're talking about what thank you page we should land on, that needs to be updated. If you are or have been using other platforms like lead pages, ClickFunnels, and things of that nature, you still want to make sure that at every point when somebody submits a form, if they're supposed to land on that thank you page or that tripwire that you just created in Ontraport pages, I suggest you do a little inventory and get that updated. The third update that you need to make is campaigns. This is especially true if the Ontraport page you created is collecting some sort of information, whether it's an opt-in page, an order form, some type of survey, or anything of that nature. If when they submit this form, you have mapped out next steps on a campaign, like send them this freebie or take them through this nurture sequence or tag them with this as a result of the answers that they did within that form. If you want those things to still happen, you need to go back into that campaign and update the trigger. What you don't want is to let everybody know about this new version 3 page, and then they land on this page, they read all your awesome content, they submit the form, and then nothing happens. Then you got a whole bunch of customer service issues because people are popping in your box like, wait, didn't I opt in for this? Where's my freebie? Where is this? Where is that? And you don't want to start your new people off on the wrong foot. So make sure that you're back into those campaigns and looking through them and making sure that everywhere that form is supposed to be submitted for the new Ontraport page, it's been updated within the campaign. So there you have it. The 3 updates that you need to make to your Ontraport account to ensure that everybody is accessing your new Ontraport page. Let's go over them real quick. Emails, thank you pages / tripwires, as well as your campaigns. So let me know in the comments below, what updates do you need to make to your Ontraport account to ensure that everyone who is supposed to access your new Ontraport page is able to access it? And did you find this video helpful? If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care, happy peeps. Bye.